say Texas has a whorehouse in it. Lord have mercy. Oh, is the camera on? Is it on? Um, I've been singing Texas has a whorehouse in it because best little whorehouse in Texas. It's probably one of the best darn movies ever made. That adorable Dolly Parton and that scrumptious Burt Reynolds, man, knocks it out of the park. Charles Durning as the senator and those catchy tunes. And I'm a big fan of the Dolly Parton version of I Will Always Love You. It's kind of sad. Man, at the end, Burt, they got to close that whorehouse down, and he's got those tight little jeans that Burt Reynolds used to always wear, and they're kind of floods. They're always like 2 inches too short. But yeah, he got his little cowboy boots, like Burt Reynolds had feet, like the size little fours. He had like little baby feet. Just every time he's running, like in Gator, Hooper. My God, Burt Reynolds I love like 20 of his movies. But that poor little guy with size little little booty boots. And boy, at the end of that movie, when she sings I'll Always Love You, I cried for about 12 seconds, and then I got over it because I'm really shallow. And I'm just kind of like that. But then it kind of ends good. But boy, that song, Texas has a whorehouse in it. Man, I think it was written by, I think Neil Diamond sang that originally with Barbra Streisand. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, September Morn, and then Texas has a whorehouse in it. I think that was it. We got some cool things on the way. Who wants to raise their hand and ask, what, Cory? Anyone out there? You? Okay, you in South Korea. All right, yep, I only have one person in South Korea, and you put your hand up. Okay, I'm pointing at you. There we go, look. You, raise your hand. South Korea? Okay, they want to know, Cory, what's going on? What's the latest? Well, what's kind of cool, I got an advance look-see, a little peekaboo, at the brand new training that Nick has put together with the Job Free Revolution. And I'm pretty darn happy. It looks very cool. And the reason why I really like it is because I'd say out of 500 people, 90% could use some training that's more step by step. Step 1, step 2, buckle my shoe. Step 3, step 4, you're a whole, what is it? Something about the door. 5, 6, pick up your sticks. 7, 8, go eat. I don't even know what that is, but if you guys have certain steps, I think that you'll have a better experience, especially when it's all steps on how to get people to pre-enroll or just to sign up in your group, not the other 5 million people that might be out there trying. Because, we got about 700,000 people that are affiliates, members. Are all 700,000 going to post every day and try to recruit? No. Will they try at one point? Yes. Will 98% not follow through and kind of just give up, and they'll probably just buy the products, which is totally the goal? That's awesome. Yes. I only think 2% out of 700,000, they're going to post maybe as much as me. I'm full of piss and vinegar. Sometimes vinegar and water. And sometimes I pee it out, but not all the time. And it makes me driven. It makes me like to post because, number one, I think it's fun. Number two, it's exciting if someone pre-enrolls and signs up. It kind of gives you a boost. It makes you feel like, hey, thanks for trusting me. If my video or my email, or maybe I made a post on Facebook that made a movement, not like a bowel movement, but maybe a movement. It made you move and click your mouse, and somehow you joined. And my gosh, you joined in my team. And whenever you do, I still am going to do whatever I can. I don't care if I have 5 million people one day. Each and every one of you, I write a personal email, and I send you an invite to training. Okay, the Job Free Revolution. We give you simple advice. It could be rumor. What's the latest? Hey, have you heard this person does this? Whisper in my ear. And then what I do is I blab it. I'll send it to Nick, or I'll put it on my posts. But you don't have to be real secretive about the secret to success with this company. I don't think there's really a secret to it. I think if you post every day, be yourself, try to be interesting. And most people know I'm from an entertainment background, not a multi-level network marketing guru. I don't have stories that I failed for the last 20, 30 years. All right. In 6 months, I'm almost platinum. I've got almost 500 people in my group. And when they download and just kind of compute what to do and how to multiply, get to, help to, get to. I bought all those domains. I bought a lot of domains. I got some cool stuff debuting. But the good news is in a day or two, after Nick polishes it up, he says he's just got a little bit more uploading to do. And he'll probably get some armor all out, shine up that website, make it look nice, make it look sharp, unlike me with a bad haircut. It's going to kick ass. I'm a big believer in step by step, not system. Keep your credit card and purse, just keep it out of the way for a little while. I like when you look at stuff for free and you digest that. And if you take action on free stuff, and maybe you want to go ahead and, maybe purchase software, like a screwdriver. You want a screwdriver if you want to, I guess if you want to tighten something. I almost said something bad. Or maybe you have an itch. You can itch your arm or your back with a screwdriver. Sometimes you can't reach and you need a rake or something. But I'll tell you what, I like the new training. I like what I've seen. This is just kind of a pep talk video. Everybody hang in there. Everyone's doing well. It seems like everyone is getting 1 to 2 people. They're trying to get bronze. And all you got to do is just post. It is so easy, in my opinion, just to have fun on Facebook. If you've never done a video, just look in selfie mode and go, gosh, this video is going to suck. But you know what? Check out my website. Go to joincory.com. Thank you. Make a 12-second video. And at the beginning of it, say, hi, I'm Cory, and this video is going to suck. But I'm going to tell you something, and I hope you check it out. Goodbye. 15 seconds max. And you're going to call it, I suck. And that's it. Or something else. But you're going to do it. And you're going to see how easy it is to get people just to be interested, to look at an opportunity. All they're doing is just watching a video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds to be exact. They can watch it. And usually in 10 seconds, they know if they're even interested or not. So in 10 seconds, they'll just go, oh, hell no. If they watch the whole thing, they're going to go, I like the products. I'm going to check out the website. They're going to go there, look at the wholesale, look at the retail prices. They're going to see that it's $9.95 just to buy products, wholesale. And you know what? They might even need to earn some extra money. They'll see where it's $40 one-time fee, and that's it. You're done. That's it. There is no annual $40. All you got to do is just do the $9.95 membership, and that's it. Everything else is just all learning, or if you want to buy the products, which I hope you do, because then you'll have first-hand experience to kind of tell you about the experience that you've had with CBD oil, maybe the super reds, the super greens, the collagen. Maybe your face is looking better. Maybe your skin feels better. With methylene blue, it's hard to say, methylene blue, with our new product, you might have just a better well-being. You might just feel good. You might sit in the dark with pajamas on. And if it makes you feel good, putting one of those things on your tongue, it's all blue. You can stick your tongue out, look like Gene Simmons a kiss, look like maybe you ate a Smurf, Papa Smurf come over and you snacked on him. Boy, when you got a blue tongue and then you pee blue, you know how cool that is? People in Japan, I think they pay to do that. Like hundreds of dollars, I think. Or maybe that's another country. Maybe it's Iowa. But boy, to put some blue strips that dissolve on your tongue and make you feel better and pee blue for less than $15 a month, count me in. Massage Delight don't do that on State Street, I heard. I've never been there, but I heard that they don't do methylene blue strips that make you go pee. Maybe they will after they see this video. I'm sure someone will tattletale on me. They'll call Massage Delight and say, Cory says that you don't do methylene blue. And they'll go, you're right, but starting tomorrow, I'm going to. And guess what? I'm going to go down there and I'm going to give them a membership so that when they buy a bunch of methylene blue, that I get a commission. Or maybe they don't want to be a member. Maybe they just want me to stock, I don't know, 10 boxes, 20 boxes. Okay. All right. It's not too hard to get rid of them. It's only 15 bucks for a month's supply. All right. Help you sleep, help you have energy. We have patches like that. I mean, we have some really effective, cool stuff. Real good stuff. Vitamins, top notch. Protein powder, just amazing. Super red, super greens, all organic. Mops the ass of super beets. The container's twice as big. We have better products. We're organic. They're not. Super red's 50 to 55 bucks. We're 18 bucks. All right. Add a couple bucks to justify the $9.95 a month, because you're probably going to order once or twice a month. 33 cents a day. That's all it is. Isn't that cool that you can afford a membership to be a wholesale buyer of really cool products? And you can sell them if you want. Go ahead and retail them. Buy something for 10 bucks with us, sell it for 20. Buy something for 17 bucks, sell it for 27. Maybe sell it for 37. Mess around with the price. Profit, but don't absolutely just screw someone over by charging them a nonsense like other MLMs where you have to buy your own product for retail, usually more than retail. If you can buy a bottle of shampoo for 15 bucks and it's only worth 6, and you're on the street trying to sell it for 15 bucks, people are going to go, get the F away from me. I mean, if you have to sell the shampoo for 5 bucks, but your cost is 20, that's not very good. That's why most MLMs fail from the worker bees. I'm a worker bee. I'm not one of those guys at the top. All right? I'm a worker. I like to get out a shovel and do a honest day's work. All right? But I'm not going to be giving all my money to Dr. Gundry with Super Beats and all these other stars that they promote healthy products, but they don't even know. They just have a script and say, man, this is amazing stuff. And then afterwards, they go have tacos and pizza, usually with me. I'm that guy. At least I'm honest. I'll tell you all about the products that I take, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to have probably a burrito with triple cheese, chocolate milk. I'm going to do crazy, stupid stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and do some healthy products too to kind of, if I can counterbalance it. Boy, I hope I can. Yeah, it's pretty tough eating perfect. But if you can, good for you. And if you can't, don't overeat. Try to stretch a little bit. See if you can get your heart rate up. And then, of course, take our products and have a pizza. You're going to do it. Just admit it. Look in the mirror. You can't bullshit yourself. Just go, I'm going to have a piece of pizza. I'm going to have maybe 4 pieces of pizza. NFL football all day tomorrow. It's my favorite sport by far. If I wanted to, I would sit down and just veg out and watch badass football and see who's going to be maybe the Super Bowl champs this year. But games can wait. I can repeat. I don't need to watch them in real time. Now tomorrow, I got a nice car show, and it's a charity event. And I'm real happy. Texas Roadhouse in South Jordan. Great restaurant, chicken, ribs, it's that, the rolls, cinnamon butter rolls. Oh my God, they're so good. But it's a really nice charity event in South Jordan, Utah. You guys can go to my Facebook page, and I just did the ad for it. It's my buddy Tina's birthday too, if Tina ever watches the replay. Happy birthday. She brought her awesome family down from her 2 daughters, and then Brittany has kids. And it was a lot of fun. Had a great time. Food was fun. The weather was just perfect. And it was a good time. And we're going to have some fun tomorrow. All right. And we'll post a little bit about LiveGood, talk about the experience. And we'll get her done, man. We're going to have another good day. That's right. We're going to do it. Every 24 hours, let's have a good day. We'll do it all in a row. How about 7 days in a row? High five. So anyway, I'm going to make a couple videos, and I'll upload them before I go to the car show. I always appreciate you guys bookmarking my page if it's on Facebook. And then if you subscribe on YouTube, I like to do video. I like to do maybe 5 or more videos per day. Just a little chit chat, maybe what's going on. I just wanted to tell you about the brand new training that's going to debut in a couple days. And I hate to say we dumbed it down, but we've made it a lot easier in a step process. And I think you're going to like it. Even if you've been in my downline for 3 months, 4 months, we always improve. All right. Even a nice, shiny, brand new car, you got to repaint or put some tires on it. And that's what we're going to do. We're 6 months old. We're going to refresh what LiveGood is now. Because LiveGood was completely different 3 months ago. 6 months ago, forget about it. Now we got 700,000 maniacs just kicking ass, 11 million a month coming in, only on 19 products. Man, we've almost got to get out of our way of ourselves. It's just going so fast. We got to go get out the way. Here comes LiveGood. Then we're signed up already, so we have to hold on to a rope. I don't know if we can lasso this beast, but it sure feels good. It's a lot of fun. I wish I could have experienced this, 40 years ago, but there just wasn't anything like it. If there was a template like this, it would have been successful even in the 80s, 90s, and here we are, 2023, and we're kicking it, man. We're kicking ass. So good for Ben and Nodder, Ryan and Lisa. They're the Fab Four, I like to call them, who got this opportunity going for us all. So give it a chance, guys. It's only $49.95 if you want to do the first month with an affiliation. Just be an affiliate. And if you want to join for the year, for the price of for the price of 10 months, you get 12. All right? It's up to you. $99.95 if you want to do that. But anyway, guys, it was fun chatting. I just wanted to say hi for 15 minutes. Hopefully you're doing well. Please go to my Facebook page and see all the charity events and stuff we do. Hopefully we'll raise some money for a nice cause tomorrow. Give away raffles, tickets, and then afterwards, lunch, of course. The best part about Texas Roadhouse is inside Texas Roadhouse. I'm a big chicken and rib guy. Steak, I never really gave a shit, but boy, I'll tell you, when it comes to chicken and ribs and those rolls and ice cold milk, oh man, I want to do that now. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, get a hold of me. I'm glad to make a video about what your question is, or if it's just something random, I'll just write you back as fast as I can. So, all right, man, I'm having me a little bowl of cereal. I'm kind of hungry for some cereal. And then I got to hit the sheets. So, you guys, thank you. Seriously. And we'll see you next video. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.